Julius, any questions from yours, Julius? Which is your sheet itself? I'm getting confused actually. Oh, okay, right. So, oh, that is different sheet. Okay, where I kept, I don't know. Okay, let's start something here. Okay, right. Okay. So last class we completed EASAP methodology. Okay. Okay, we completed EASAP methodology. Okay. So this is for, okay, this is for implementation project. Okay, implementation.
The screen is not
Okay, yeah,
visible,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. I'm sharing. This is for implementation project. Okay. So there are some other projects also we have discussed already. Rollout. Okay, and then support, right, and migration. Okay. So this all is completed. Okay, migration nothing, mostly into testings. Okay, that's all migration. Rollout completed. Support we have discussed very detailed last class. So now we are going to discuss a very important discussion, rise ups. Okay, rise up, very important, because all interview they will be asking. Okay, every interview they will be asking rise ups. So what is rise ups? Rise ups is nothing but the report interface, forms, developments. Okay, this will go two sessions. Very important hot topic. I am telling back to back. Rises are very important interview question. Okay, very important interview question. Okay, so don't be thinking like others. So take this as serious. Okay, so RISEPs is nothing but the reports, interface, conversion, enhancement, forms, and workflow. Okay, so this is called as RISEPs. Okay, enhancement or development. Okay, enhancement or development. Okay, so what we are going to see under this. Okay, okay, so this all are not standard. Okay, this all are not standard in the means which cannot be achieved by the given standard SAP. So some requirement from the business which is not available standard SAP, we need to go through writing programs with the ABAPs and changing small functionalities. Okay, so since you are changing some functionality, we need a document for that. That document is called as FS, function specification. That document is called as FS, function specification. Without writing a FS and without approving, you cannot work on any of this. You cannot work on. Why we are writing? Because this is not standard. So what we are going to do here should be there. Then only, even if we are leaving, if someone is coming with the FS only, they will understand what is the development or report form system. Okay, so that is where we are writing this function specification. Okay, so how the requirement will be there. Okay, so first the requirement, some example business will give. Okay, so first we need to analyze, okay, whether this can be done. Okay, not only from the functional side, even you can discuss with the technical team also. What is technical team? Anyone? Technical team means which module? Anyone? If
ABAP.
you
ABAP.
absolutely,
ABAP.
absolutely. So if in case it is to be written some coding or program, you need to discuss with the above team. Here, come on, there is a requirement coming in. Okay, whether this can be achieved by writing some programs or something. Okay, because suddenly if you write FS finally the above is telling no means you cannot go proceed further. Okay, just a oral discussion. Just if any doubt, just a oral discussion. If they are telling yes, okay, then this FS should be written. This should be approved by the client. FS should be approved by the client. Okay, after it is approved, we need to explain to the above in very detail which screen, what field, what we need. We need to explain them in detail to the ABAPer. I am telling to common, everything I am telling generally common I am telling. Okay, so what we to explain to them with along with the FS, ABAP team will write the TS, technical specification. They need to write their side. what program they are going to modify, whether they are going to use the BADI, BAPI or function. These are the things. Okay, BADI, okay, BAPI, okay, functional module. This and all they may use. Okay, depends on the requirement. BADI, BAPI or functional module, user exit. Okay, anything they can use. Okay, so which they are going to are program. Okay, program. Okay, program to include AC38. I told, I think so. Functional module AC37 will reconfirm again. Okay, and baby. I think user exit. I think yes mode we did on develop this one. You remember preventive condition based. Okay, I don't remember the ticket. Okay, so they will write in their TS what and all to be changed. Again, that should be approved. Okay, and then they will write the needed. They will start doing the changes. Okay, they'll start doing the changes, and we need to just do testing the development, very base level of testing, whether any pop-up or error message or whatever record is coming correct or not. After that, we need to test it with the test script written here. In the first, there should be test script for your development. Okay, we need to test it, and then business will test. So this is the process to carry a development. This is the process to carry a development. Till now, any open questions from anyone? Any open questions from anyone? This is just I'm telling for your understanding purpose. I'm telling. Okay, so for your understanding purpose, I'm telling. Okay, okay. Now coming to the FS. Okay, normally in the interview they may ask you whether you are rated FS. Okay, before that I'll give some. Okay, I'll give example for this now. Okay, what and all may be. This is a default question in India. I don't know about outside. In India, any SAP project, they will ask whether you worked on developments. Whether you worked on developments. So we should go minimum with 3 or 4 developments and minimum mandatory. I think, Bipin, you are asked this question, right? Maybe, I think so. Bipin,
Yes,
you
yes,
went for interview. They asked or not whether you worked on
yes, yes,
developments.
yes, yes,
They
yes.
will
They
ask
ask.
100%, 99.99%. 3+ years, they will ask what developments you worked. Okay,
Sure.
I'll give some developments. Okay, for example, if permit is open. Okay, if permit is open. Okay, business requirement confirmation should not be done. Should not be. Okay, this is one development. Okay, this is not achievable by standard. There is no configuration or no anything to do this. Not possible. So you need to write some coding only, no other option. Okay, you can tell anything. I am just giving some things. You can tell anything. Okay, our equipment task list we know, right? What is equipment task list? And where we'll use equipment task list? We'll use in the maintenance plan, M plan, right? So what is equipment task list? This equipment number, for example, this is my equipment means. Okay, this will have some list of tasks only for this equipment. List of tasks only for this equipment. Stop me if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, so this task list where we'll use normally we'll use in the preventive maintenance plan, but the requirement from the business. Okay, but the requirement from the business, if I am creating a general work order, if I am creating a general work order, okay, in case if the equipment is having task list, in case if the equipment is having task list, automatically the data should come here, the operations. That is the requirement. I'll show you. Understand and learn, don't by heart, please. That is what my again back requirement. Okay, so report for task list, I'm going equipment task list. Okay, A09. So I have luckily 2. Okay, so if you go, okay, so this task list is created for this equipment number 15. Okay, so normally task list will be used in the maintenance plan, that we know, I think we all remember. Okay, but if I create a general work order, okay, if I created a general work order, what is the plant? Maybe 171. Okay, SVPL something. Okay, they are created for SVPL. Okay, so if we create a work order, okay, IW31. Okay, order type. Let's see, let's try equipment 15. Okay, order type cannot be used for maintenance orders. Okay, so this is the equipment. This equipment is having these operations. This is created for this equipment. This is equipment number. But in the work order, the data will not pull. The work order, the data will not pull. Absolutely, it will not pull. This is the requirement. This is the requirement. If the equipment is having task list, if I create a general work order for this equipment, automatically the task list should pull here. Anyone have any doubt on this? What I am telling? Any questions? Not able to understand? Anyone? This you can do manually. This you can do manually because we have the option here. We have the option here. Okay. Give the option here. Okay, to manually entry. But I don't want to do manual entry. See a reference object. Okay. Should the operations go something? Okay. This is manually I'm doing. I don't want to do manually. Okay. See, it came here. See here. I didn't enter manually. It got copied here. I did this manually. But I don't want to do this manually. Okay, and I don't want to remember or check whether the equipment is having task list. Automatically, if the equipment is having task list, it should be copied here. This is called as a development. This is also okay because it is not achieved by standard. I need to do manually. Right, that I don't want. System should trigger automatically. So this is what I had written here. If the equipment is having a task list, if a general work order is created, if a general work order is created, automatically operations from task list to be copied to work order. Cannot be achieved by standard SAP, no configuration, nothing. This you can do only with the development only. So this is like this, you can tell any developments. I'm not telling you should tell only this. You can tell any developments. Even I had kept in our Excel also. Okay, you guys can go and see also. Okay, so I had written 2-3 other along with this. Okay, this is I told now. Okay, break. Okay, this breakdown is not. If breakdown is not. This is what I told just now. Okay, this I told. If while doing confirmation, if the permit is open, it should not allow. This I told. This I told. Okay, okay, okay. If breakdown is not entered, confirmation cannot be done. Okay, so we have the breakdown notification process, right? There we are. If the breakdown tick mark is given, okay. In the breakdown, we have the breakdown tick mark. Remember. If the breakdown tick mark is not given, confirmation should not be done. This can be a requirement. Okay, like this you can tell any requirements. This and all some examples, but without knowing three developments, don't go to the interview. In India, mostly for IFU also. Okay, so this and all are 99.99 you repeated interview question. What are the developments you worked? Okay, so like this you have some 2-3 developments. Okay, you can have and you can go. All right. So while for this, as I already told, we need to write the FS function specification. What I discussed is only this. Okay. Others and all we didn't discuss. That we'll discuss later. First, we'll understand one thing. Okay. This and all very slow. Okay. Very small. Okay. Interface we need to discuss. This and all is very small. Conversion nothing but your LSMW data upload. That's all. Conversion nothing. Your BDC LSMW data upload. Okay. I have the documents. I will send you the documents. Okay. You can go through. Yeah. So this is what I told Recepts. Okay, I'll send this document, go through. Okay. So conversion is nothing but the LSMW. Okay. And that is what conversion. Okay. So we are discussing now here enhancement of this is what I told body, user exit function module, any program. Okay. That is what this is nothing. Okay. This we need to discuss. This is we will discuss. This I will give 1-2 examples. Form is nothing but a shop paper. Shop paper, any changes. That is what forms. Okay. Workflow mail trigger. We cannot do the mail triggering. I'm not a techno functional, I'm a functional guy. So nothing. This two is main. Okay, 2 and 4 is the matter. Other things uh, very small. Report will discuss. So these are very small. Okay, this two we need to understand. So what I am telling till now, okay, this FS, this and all is common for everything. Again, I'm telling. Okay, right. So yeah. So what will be there in the functional requirement in the FS? Okay, function specification, what will be there? Okay, in the FS, what will be there? Okay, so the format will vary. Format will vary, see, project to project. Okay, so that is the thing. So if you open, okay, so okay, this is logic will come last year. Okay, okay, take this one. Okay. Okay, so normally what will be there in the FS? Okay. So this and all index, okay, your report number, who is the raiser, okay. So this and all will be there. So normally first the business requirement, what they need, okay. If you are doing this, what is the benefit, okay. Dependency, you are doing for one plant or you are doing for common, you are doing for one site or any one order type, like that, any dependency, okay. That is any documents related to it, okay. And then description, detailed description, okay. Detail, we need to give the description, everything, okay. And yeah, okay. So this is validation data something, okay. So this is the what and all fields, okay. So they are given in the, it's a report actually. So they are given the fields and everything should be there, everything should be there, okay. So what and all fields and all we need to give here and all, okay. Logic, where is the logic? This is what I think so. Table name and field name. Okay, I think this is what I think so. Here is the logic. Okay, so which table, which field we need to take? Okay, they are given here the logic. We need to give in the table level, field level. We need to explore and we need to give to the best. If not worst case, they will go, but we need to do it. Okay, so like this, we need to get the tables and fields. See here. Okay. So like this, we need to take the tables and fields. Which table, which field is required to pull the table field, you know, SC16N table, right? So like that, we need to prepare like this. Okay. So and we need to give to the above. This is how the FS will be there. That is what I had given here: business requirement, business benefit, logic, dependencies. If any bad job required, bad job, flowchart, testing 100% with positive and negative testing. This will be there in the FS. Here I had shown you the testing in the top. Testing, error handling. Both positive and negative testing. Very, very important testing. This only I told you test document. It will be in the FS. So yeah, if you tell some 5, 7 is far enough. So this will be there in the FS. They will ask you whether you wrote FS. If you tell yes, if it is a bad day, what was there in the FS, they may question you. If it is a bad day, you should go with answers. So business requirement, business benefit, logic, dependencies, bad job, flowchart, testing, etc. Still more, if you want to add something, you go to the front. Okay, if you want to add something, you can from this. Okay, if you remember something. Okay, so add something, some security, something. Okay, so report output, whatever. If you want to add something from here, you can add it. This is called function specification. This should be written by us, PM consultant. We should write after getting the requirement from the business. We need to write PM consultant. We only need to write. So this document should cover end to end what is the requirement given by the business. Everything with the screenshots and everything should be there. Very detailed. Very, very detailed it should be. For example, take this. What is the requirement here? T code IW47 report for the year confirmation, right? Generate a report with on activity confirmation, labor cost. Okay, against the orders for plant requires a report against the manager for activity type this with additional cost. So what they are telling, from IW47 take a report only for this plant. This is the dependency now. Plant only 1004. Okay, they can tell it, right? Only for this two activity. This also they can add here. Clear now? So they need a report and to be converted into a CSV file. The CSV file and all you need to discuss with the ABAP whether the CSV file can be achieved or not. That and all you need to discuss with the ABAP. After discussing if it is possible, then only you need to start writing the FS. Read this. I'll give 2 minutes. Let me know your questions, please. Okay, can we continue? Any questions? Anyone? Okay, so yes, this is what I can tell. Okay, so yeah, functional module SE37. Okay, I think SE37 C37 T code. Yeah, functional module SE37. Okay, and user exit S mode, I think so. Okay, IMRC001, right? Okay, the 001. Always getting confused. 0000. Then go to C mode /CMOD.
Sir, you typed IMPC.
IMPC. IMR.
IMRC001, sir.
Yeah. 0000. Always I'm getting confused.
00. 00.
No, actually my ECC is not working. This is my HANA server. I don't know whether it is. Yeah, 0001. Okay, so this is your measuring point. So this year they will come and do activation or something. They will play. Okay, so that is what this one. That is what this user exit. Okay, functional module I showed you. Okay, so here is the functional module. Okay, so testing and all we need to do in the functional module level. Okay, we need to do the testing and all. Okay, here is SAP man. But only right. Why it closed? I don't know. Okay, if you want to test, right, maybe some functional module. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, so execute. Okay, this function module they will give. Okay, so we need to give the input here and you need to test it. Okay, so here pivot or pivot number you need to give, created on date, like that we need to give here. Okay, they will test and we will get the return here output. These are the inputs. Okay, so these are the function models. Okay, for example. Okay, okay, this is a function module for equipment means. Okay, so we need to come and give here. Okay, we need to come and give here. Shit. Or something is okay. Okay, and you need to test this way. Okay, so when PO is coming, right? Okay, what I saw here underscore EQUI happy underscore EQUI underscore change. Okay, so execute. See here equipment number. Okay, that's all. I think this is not required. I think so. Only equipment number you need to give and you need to execute, and you will get the output. Just I'm showing how to test with the function model. Okay, so this is what, guys. Bappy. I don't remember the T code. SM36 something. This is bad job. I don't remember the T code for Baddie and Bappy. Okay, yeah, testing is mandatory. Yeah, this is what I think. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, I think I covered most of the things. Yeah, we need to give the logic as I told, right? This tables and fields. Yeah, that is what here is said. Yeah, so for example, so I need the maintenance plant order number. Okay, so maintenance plant. Okay, however I will take. Okay, so go to the go to AFKO. Okay, go to AC16. Okay, right, in AFKO table, we need to get this field. Control F and V. Shit. So GSTRP. Okay, so GSTRP. Control F. Okay, so we are getting the dates of the order. So this is the order date, maybe that is required. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, here, right, or date range, the third you can see. So the date range they will take from this table and field, and this is your order number, AUFNR. Okay, control F, V, AUFNR. This is your order number. So order number, date I got. So I got 2 from here. Order number, date, and equipment. Okay, for equipment there will be some fields. Okay, like this we need to take and give the tables and field to the ABAP. With this they will start writing the code. At least to something you need to give. If you have doubt, you can tell this I am not getting, like that you can tell. Dog is barking, I don't know what to do. Shit. So this is called as logic, guys. We need to get from the table and fields, and indeed we need to give the logic to the ababus. I think I am nearly done. I think so, for a development. I think that's all. Requirement, business benefit, logic, dependencies. I told you, plant or site or location, any order type, like that, any dependency. Okay. In case if you are using bad job. Okay, bad job. Example, bad job, material consumption for 1 day. Okay, per day, what is my material consumption? Okay, yeah, that is a requirement actually. 1 day, what all materials consumed with respect to the PM order? Yeah, you can write a program for it. Okay, we can write a program for it. Okay, so why I came here? Yeah, for this. Why I came here for bad job. So I cannot do this manually, right? Daily I need. So I will set up a bad job for this SM37. Right? SM37, I will set up a bad job for this. So like this flow chart, if we are, if possible, we can create it as a flow chart and test it. Yeah, guys, this is what a development and how it will be done. I'll give this FS, read it, go through it, okay, and keep a sample. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. I'll give the and in the last I had given this document, what is RISEPs. Go through this also. Go through this very important document. What is first, read this, okay? You will understand what is RISEPs. Okay, I had given that also. Okay, so read it, understand it. Okay, right. Any questions on this? Anyone? This is what we need from the function side. We need from the function side. This is what we need. So any questions here? Anyone? Anyone have any questions? This and all you will get more understanding when you write in the work in the project only. Okay. Okay, SEC 18 and 19 for Baddy Bappy. Okay. Yes, why it is closing? I don't know. Closing or it is somewhere, I don't remember. Okay, so this is for the Baddy Bappy. Okay, so this is the baddie name. They will do. Even I am seeing today only baddie decode. Okay, SE 18 and the Bappy, I don't know. Bappy is function module only, I think so. SW01. Okay. This is again however, no need to go that so much level. Okay, no need to go that too. So even I am seeing this ticket today only. Okay, SE 18 for baddie and Bappy something we read. SW0. Not at that level also. Okay. Yeah, it's a very important topic. I mean, without 3 developments, don't go to the interview. Anything you tell tomorrow. Okay, so this development can I tell in interview. Anything you tell, we can share. You people can use it. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my side for the development. Can we proceed to the next in the reports? Can we go now? Or any open points? Any open points? Anyone for the? You can ask tomorrow, no issues. Today, any open questions? That's what my question today. So this FS is common for everything. I am telling you again. FS is common for everything. This they will ask what developments. Yeah, all are developments only. It's not that this or that. All are developments only. Interface we'll do tomorrow. Okay, it's very important. We'll do tomorrow. Okay, now we'll start with the reports. Okay, so for this also you need to write FS. So what is report? Oh, very important. I forgot to tell. Anything starting with Z, it's a development. ZT code or Z table. Okay. For example, go here /n SE16N. I am putting right SE16N. There will be some tables. Anything starting with Z. Okay. Anything starting with Z. Nothing. Z. Nothing is there. Should be there something. I don't know. Maybe. Nothing is there. It is HANA. Maybe. Only M, no Z is there, I think so. Okay. I thought of showing some Z development or T code, but it's not there, I guess so. Right. I think no. It says HANA, right? Yeah, but it is starting with W. Normally it start with W, Z. Okay. So for example, see this one. Yeah. See what is this? Okay, here itself you see they had created some T code here. See here. So it is starting with Z. Starting with Z, if something T code or table starting with Z means it is a development. I am all are hearing or I am only speaking? All are hearing me? Hello? If
Yeah.
you okay. So see here, this is a T code Z. So it's a development. They have written a program for that. See here. So starting something with like a T code or program, table, anything starting with Z means it is a, this is not development. Okay. After W Z is coming is not development. That should be standard only. Okay. I don't think it's a development. Okay. It should start with Z. Then it is a development. Okay. So that's what you can see here. Here. Okay. You can see here. Okay. So YA came here, right? So reports. Okay. So reports example. Okay. So reports example. Okay. So yeah, it is where I kept. Here itself I kept, I think so. Okay, so this is what we saw before sometime, order number, order type, that and all. Okay, this is what logic. Okay, and report, right? Report. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so okay, this is a development. Z report. Okay, for example, okay, take as example. Yeah, this is a report, na? This is the report. So daily, this one. Daily, I need a report of my confirmation done for this activity type. This is a report, right? This is the report. Okay, yeah, this is a report, right? This is a report. Like this, I can create any report, okay, for example. But you should be sure you what you are telling into you should not be available in standard. Be very clear. Otherwise, you'll be catched. Whatever you are telling on the development or enhancements or report should not be available in standard. Check that there is no standard because we have T code IW 47 for confirmation report. You should not tell there. Business told they need a report for confirmation. They will ask you a question when there is a standard, why you need. So be very, very clear. It should not be there in standard. That is very important. Okay. If it is there, you need to tell something different. Okay. So you need to tell something different like that. You need to play. Okay. So you can tell this one also you can tell. Uh, uh, okay, breakdown also you have in IW29, I think so. Okay, IW20 or 29, if you go right, there is some breakdown tick mark is there, I think so. Okay, so you cannot tell breakdown, that tick mark something is there here. Okay, I think so. Is there? Yeah, breakdown is there. Okay, so but you can add along with this. Okay, I need a breakdown report. Okay, you can tell this Z breakdown confirmation, right? So I need a report only for breakdown orders. On that orders, what confirmation is done or material consumed. You can tell this, right? Because here you will get the breakdown, but you will not get the confirmation of the material consumed, right? So you can tell this as example. Like this, you can tell any example. Like this, you can tell it. So this report this is my T code. For this a Z program may be written. Okay, so in this report you can get only related to breakdown. Example, okay, example, okay, if that is example I am telling like this, okay. So uh slash an AC function model AC37, okay. Yeah, so if there is something here, okay, so if I'm giving a notification number here, if this is my ZT code, example I'm telling, if this is my ZT code or development I did, if I'm giving a notification number, the system should back and check whether this notification is having the breakdown tick mark. If the breakdown tick mark is not there, it should throw here error. This notification is not breakdown. So this input should only accept which notifications are having breakdown tick mark. Otherwise, it should show error. Getting me what I'm trying to tell? If you, Julius, Avinash, trying to get what I'm trying to tell, you are getting what I'm trying to tell? Yes, no. No means tell me, I will explain you. Hello? Vision, if you, Julius, you are getting my point, what I'm telling? Because this is a breakdown report. It should take input only breakdown notification. Others, if you give, it should throw error. Okay. So like this, you can give anything because with breakdown with confirmation or breakdown with the notification consumed like that, you don't have any standard report, right? So this is one of the report you can tell. Like this, you can you think and tell me tomorrow. Okay, any reports. Okay, so permit, monthly permit. Okay, for permit, I don't know any standard report is there. Okay, IPMD T code I know, but there are 1-2 T codes along with it. For permit, I don't know any T codes are there. Okay, so you can check. Okay. Okay, so these are the T codes. Okay, 31, 32, PM0 something. Okay, so permit T codes. Okay, because before we are telling, we should be very clear. It is not there in standard. That's what I'm trying to tell. Okay, IPMD we know. Okay, other than that, any T code for permit, I don't know. Okay, I don't know any T code. Okay, so yeah, permit. Because IW 38, 39 will not have anything permit here, report here. Okay, you will not get. So with respect to permit, you can tell some Z reports. Very important point. During the time when you are telling, they will ask what are the inputs. They will ask. So notification number, notification created on date, notification type. Okay, order associated to it. Okay, notification date. These are the input fields. Notification number, notification created date, type of notification M1, M2, M3, Y1, order number, notification date. If you want, you put order number, order date also. Order date may be not required because it's related to breakdown, right? And output. Output what and all I need, notification number. Okay, notification date, order number, absolutely. Okay, order date, because notification and order date. Yeah, we can change date in work order, right? No, order date. Okay, and then material consumed or confirmation done. These are the outputs. These are the inputs. If you are telling Z, they may ask you inputs and outputs. Avinash, mainly for you and everyone. So remember 2 Z reports before going. This is one breakdown I had already told you. One you take with Z permit. Anything. Okay, Z permit. Okay, or you take example, maybe your strategy, right? But strategy also we cannot tell, I think so. Okay, but that's what I'm telling again. If you're telling something that should not be available in standard, that is my main point. Okay, so this is about the Z reports. Okay, Again, everything same. For this, FS should be written. FS, everything should be there. Testing, what and all to be done should be there. Bad job, if anything, dependency, that and all should be there. And same process to be. This is for your understanding. Don't tell this in interview. I'm telling this for your understanding purpose. Okay. FS approved, explaining to the paper, writing, coding, need to test it. This is the process followed. Okay. So this should be there for Z reports also. This is called Z reports. It's called Z reports. Forms. And one important point. Tomorrow welcoming, you tell me anything. We will discuss whether we can tell or not, because you should not tell wrong in the intro. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So I had given already in my Excel. Okay. You can take this also. See, I had given here Z costing. Okay. So I had given something. Okay. So I had already given start with Z. Okay. So see here I had given here itself. Yes. Work order to PR. There is no standard report. You can tell this here. I had given here order number, order type, order creation, PR creation, notification number, input fields, output, order number, order creation, notification number, PR creation, PR release error, PR to PO, service issue. This is a very good report. You can tell in the interview. It's a very good report because there is no standard report linking work order to PR and PO. Work order to reservation is there. Work order to reservation is there. You should not tell in the interview. Standard is there. MB25 or MB something is there. If you give the work order number, automatically its related reservation will come. But PR, there is no standard report. No. You can tell this as a very good example. And next I told this breakdown. You can tell this also. You can tell this also. Yeah. So two reports I had already given. You can take this also for the interview, or if you have any idea, you tell me tomorrow. We can discuss on this. Okay. That's all reports also completed. Same report, same for us, FS, business requirement logic, dependency. Dependency means whether anything or empty. If there is no dependent, no dependent. That's all. Okay. Bad job if required. Okay. Okay. Testing and all. And I'd given the FS, go through the FS. Okay. And then shop paper. Okay, forms. Forms is nothing but the shop paper. Where we discuss shop paper, anyone? Where we discussed? Where the shop paper will come? What is shop paper? Anyone? 45 minutes, I am only speaking, no one is speaking. Hello, Julius, Avinash, sorry, Bishan. Hello, Bishan, hearing? Ifu, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So forms is nothing but the shop paper. Okay. So we know the standard shop paper, right? It will come in the work order. It will come in the work order. Okay. So if I want to modify some data in this printout, in case, okay, if I want to modify some data here. Okay. 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 So if I want to modify some data in this shop upper screen, okay, some error is coming. Okay, that is a development. That is not standard. Simply you cannot go and modify the data in the shop upper. You are getting my point? If you what I am trying to tell, you cannot go and change any data there. Okay, you cannot go and change any data there. This is a shop upper. Okay, if I am going and changing some data in this screen, this is already will be there. Okay, for example, okay, so this is a shop paper. This is my shop paper. If I want to change here something, or if you want to change here something, I cannot go and change directly. FS should be written. It should go through the development process. Why? This is not standard. I am changing something which is not standard. So I need to follow all the steps. I need to follow all the steps. For what is the benefit? Okay, what logic? Okay, so for which plant, which shop paper, what field you are changing, what is the value before, after changing, what is going to change. With the screenshots, everything you need to bring. That is called shop paper FS. Do you have any forms for shop paper here? This is report. So yeah, shop paper. Okay, see here. Okay, they are written an example for shop paper. Okay, so okay. What is the here? For the work order shop paper, some additional data fields were identified. For this, they are writing FS, which were reviewed and agreed with the SAP experts to ensure that other strategies are not. See, so what you are doing, it should be only for Hull site to ensure that other sites using shop paper are not impacted by the changes. So their dependency here is for this Hull site. This is a dependency. Hull site. So you should do negative testing. What you are doing testing should not is not affecting other than Hull any sites. So what they are doing? So list of so your for Hull these all are the shop papers. So everywhere it should affect. Okay. So what they need? So something paper size. Okay. See, they are brought a Z program development. Okay. Benefit. like this. You need to sit and read. So these are the programs they are bringing. This is the shop paper forms. These are the shop papers. See, this I think they are changing here. The following has been requested Z008 shop paper. Okay, so this and all they are changing something. Okay, see here page size. Okay, page number like this. So sit and read it. Okay, try to understand. Any questions, let me know. That's all I can tell. We cannot do it in the practical because I don't know technical side. I am a functional side. So see here, this is what changing. Some green color they had given. See here, they had brought this sharp paper. This red color and this also. Okay, maybe from here they are bringing down something. Okay. So this is the logic. Okay. So that's all about the sharp paper. That's all about the sharp paper. Okay. Go through. Okay. So today announcement. Okay. Completed. Okay. Okay. And reports completed. Okay. And forms completed. Okay. So these two very small. We can finish 5 minutes. Only important topic tomorrow is interface. Only important topic is interface. Other, this is main thing. This is main thing. Okay. What will be there in the FS? What is FS? Okay. And understand the flow. This is for an understanding purpose, not for the interview. This is for understanding purpose. Technical people will write TS. Remember, ABAP people will write TS. I had already told. Okay. They will write the TS. For your understanding, no need to tell in interview. Just I'm telling you, this will be done by written by the SAP PM consultant. And this and all may be there. Still, you can go through the FS. In this, what and all you need, you can add. Okay, here what and all you want to add, take whatever you take it. Date, error handling, processing time frequency, serial layout, anything, whatever you can take, no issues. This is normally, this is will be there mostly in all the things. Or if you want, you add more from the FS. I had given the FS. Go through it. Okay, so now pending is interface. Okay, pending is interface, conversion, and workflow. These three I need to do. Okay, so this is completed. Okay, this is both. You can come with questions. That is always, I am eager with your questions. Okay, so tomorrow no class. Go through this, understand what class today. Regarding Saturday, I will update the group because I am traveling tomorrow. Okay, so I am not available tomorrow. So Saturday mostly we'll have. Saturday we'll finish this interface. Conversion workflow 5 minutes. Conversion already done. LSMW, that's all. Conversion is nothing but the LSMW. That is already that's all, nothing to discuss there actually, the conversion. Okay. So here we had seen, right, conversion. See here. Read this document also. So okay, you can see here LSMW. We did, right? That's all. Data upload, data download. That is what conversion. That's all conversion. Nothing to discuss there. Okay. So workflow mail triggering. That's all. That's all I can tell. Okay. And I'd given the workflow here sample. You can go and see here. We'll discuss, no issues. That we'll discuss. That's all. Only one thing is interface. That we'll do mostly by Saturday. That's all for today. Any questions, let me know, or we can. I'm fine to close the call. Any questions from your side, Julius? Sorry, Ifu. Julius, Ifu, Bishan, anyone, any questions for today? Very important topic today. It's very important.